When I'm running, I completely forget about work, I forget about the worries, and I try to have focus. To have this time when I am away from the kitchen, away from the restaurants, is so important. My name is Tom Aikens. For almost 30 years now, I have been a chef and restaurateur. I left school at 16 with very little qualifications, but I had a passion and a love for cooking. At the very tender age of 26, I received 2 Michelin stars. So it was one of the most exciting, and yet, I have to say, one of the most challenging years of my life. As a chef, we're always looking for the story that tells the love and the passion from the producer, because when you go past ripe tomatoes, even with your eyes shut, you know the smell of them. It just smacks you in the face of summer and of flavours. My mother was a keen gardener, and it was the same amazing smell when you went into the greenhouse. You opened the door, it just hit you. And that's the magic of eating in places like Tuscany in Italy, is that it's just having this pure magic of taste and flavours directly on the plate. Because of my job, it is very demanding, and still today I am a hard taskmaster on myself. So time is a very important factor, not only in work but also sharing that with my loved ones. To enjoy the pleasures of eating outside at a table and having, my children, my family, all sitting down together is something really magical.